It was only a matter of time for me to bring the MSB Cascade. This is their latest DAC at an MSRP of a gut-wrenching $95,000. This happens to be, according to many people out there, one of the best DACs that money can buy today. Now, I bought this recently, not knowing what to expect. If you follow my channel, you should know that I have owned the MSB Select 2 for about a year. And I still believe to this day, it is one of the best DACs that I have ever had in the lab. And this actually brings me to another interesting point, which is the fact that I don't know why anyone would not consider a used MSB Select 2 for the price that it can be bought for today. They're somewhere around $45,000. That's a steal for an MSB Select 2. For the money, I'm going to tell you right now without opening this box, for the money, the Select 2 is the better buy than the Cascade. If I am looking to spend that kind of money on a DAC, I'm going to have a hard time spending $95K on this Cascade. Keeping it real with you. So if you're looking for highway robberies, for great price performance propositions, I would say to you, you may want to stick to the Select 2 because it's been discontinued. Now, I know the rest of you want me to show you this Cascade DAC, which, by the way, it was released exactly 14 months ago. I think it was released at the Munich show in 2024. And so that's when they released it. And soon after that is when it started to ship. So the majority of the Cascades out there are no more than maybe 10 months of age at best. But anyway, let's unpack this beast. Some of you have been making fun of the packaging material. Some of you have been saying, I can't believe this $95,000 DAC shows up in a cardboard box. Let me make sure I hush that noise and show you that the actual cardboard box you see, it's nothing but the outer shell for the unit to travel. So let's unpack this baby. I believe, I don't know what chassis this is. Wow, look, double box. Oh, that's gonna make some of you happy, especially those that can't afford it. They'll be happy to know that it is in 2 boxes. All right, those are the people that love to critique product that is of this caliber. So now this is right now I believe this is the main control unit. Okay. Beautiful double boxed piece. Let me see the remote control. Let's open that remote. No, actually this happens to be the USB module. So let's show the USB module. This is the Pro USB module. One of the best USB ports, modules, whatever you want to call it, that money can buy. I had a lot of success with this Pro USB module and my Select 2 MSB DAC. So let's continue to unpack this animal. Beautiful black finish. Incredible, impeccable construction. I mean, incredible. Absolutely superb. Let's talk about the ports on the back. So this one comes option with the port for the Pro USB module, okay? Ethernet, which is this is essentially your Rune connection. You have your inputs, world clock, and this is where you connect the other chassis that comes into the unit. The cross, this is the link essentially, okay? And you have another separate future module that you can put on this piece, okay? The top reminds me a lot of the MSB Select, same dials, really great feel to it. And here's the front of the unit. All right, let's continue with the next chassis, shall we? And all right, let's open up. I don't know what part of the unit this is. All right, and this is the power base, okay? This is the umbilical cord. This is what connects to the other chassis, to the main control unit, okay? And let's pull this puppy out. Here it is. This is where you connect the umbilical cord. You got a power cord that you need to turn this on, and a grounding bolt right there. Grounding spot right there. So, all right, let's do the last one. Last piece is where we find the rest, okay? Cables, look, the connection to the Pro USB module, the power cords, everything else that comes with the unit is found within. So this is the digital director now, where you find the rest of the connections. This is actually an option on the Select 2 that MSRP for like $20,000, I think it is. I think it was 20 grand. And here's where you can see all the magic. Okay, so all the inputs are here. Okay, you have, this is where the umbilical cord connects. You have input 1, you have input 2, analogs, unbalanced. You also have inputs that are balanced XLRs. This is your output, what gets connected essentially to your preamplifier, okay? And this is the link that connects it to the next chassis. So this is what makes actually one of the biggest performance improvements on the whole unit, the digital director, because it houses all the digital inputs outside of the main control unit. I remember when I bought this digital director for the MSB Select 2, there was a huge performance improvement. Massive, massive, massive performance improvement. And so for now, what we're gonna do is bring it over here. And please don't do what I do. I don't recommend that you do what I'm gonna do, which is to stack them, okay? I'm gonna stack them on top of each other. Typically you wanna separate all of the 3 chassis. Here's the second chassis installed, and then the final chassis, which is the main control unit, and that goes on the top. And there you have it. 3 chassis Cascade, a $95,000 DAC. And I understand it's a lot of money. It's not for everyone. I get it. But what I'm gonna do now is essentially finish setting up the device, and you're gonna get some short videos on YouTube pretty soon to get a feel of what this unit is capable of. Now I'm gonna ask you this question, and I want you all to answer me in the comment section. Do you want a comparison of my Solution 760 DAC versus the Cascade? The Solution 760 is approximately 80 grand. The Cascade is 95. Do you want a comparison? Tell me in the comment section if you want me to do this. I also have, in case you have forgotten, the esoteric K1X SE CD player, which also is a DAC. You can use it as a DAC and stream music to it by connecting your music server. All right, so I'll leave it up to you. Let me know what you want in the comment section. And I am super excited to finish this and get some music playing. And of course, you're gonna get my feedback on a future video. I can't wait to hear this device. Talk to you soon. Thank you.